Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your AirPods are on and paired. That prevents confusion. Once connected, open Settings and go to Bluetooth so you can access the device details. Tap the small info icon next to your AirPods name. This brings up the controls you need to modify. Doing this first puts you directly into the right menu rather than guessing where voice control options hide. Make sure both left and right show as connected so changes apply immediately. Now you change the button behavior to stop accidental voice triggers. You'll see settings for press and hold or double tap depending on model. Tap each side and choose off or assign a non-voice action like noise control or Siri if you still want assistance selectively. Also check announce notifications and ear detection. Turning them off reduces spoken prompts. Once you switch these, your AirPods won't launch voice control from accidental presses, and the behavior will match. Finish by testing each control. Press, hold, or tap to confirm voice control no longer activates. If changes don't stick, make sure firmware and iOS are updated. Then restart your iPhone and reconnect the AirPods to apply settings cleanly. If behavior still persists, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button until the light flashes amber then white, which clears profiles and lets you reconfigure. One tip: if accidental triggers continue, temporarily lower touch sensitivity, or use a case that reduces pressure on the stems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.